They had me in the last video. I'll give them that. Okay, I'll give them that. Who is ready for a rematch? Because I know I am. You played me in the last video. Well, I guess I played myself more than anything. Hey, my name is Tiffany. Welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, thank you for stopping by and giving me a look. I do appreciate it. Stick around and see if you like what I have to offer, okay? Okay. To better grasp what I'm going to be getting into in today's video, please go watch my last one. I think it's about 10 minutes. Go ahead and do that because today is going to be a rematch, okay? I let that little hack defeat me last time. I got a little too confident, I got a little cocky, but today, I told y'all I was gonna try it again, and this time with no foundation, no concealer under here. The only thing I did for my makeup today was my eye makeup, my brows, and some spot concealing. As you can see, the little orange spaces around my face. Like I said in my last video, I'm pretty sure it was a me problem with the hack not working. I've seen the hack work on other people, and I'm pretty sure I can confidently say it was most definitely a me problem. But you know, sometimes things happen. Because I'm pretty sure where I went wrong was that I did almost my full face of makeup and I let it sit for a minute because I was doing other things, I was working on other projects, and then I sat down to film on makeup that had been sitting on my face for a hot minute. So once I put concealer, contour, and blush on top of that, it just did not. It did not go well. I can still see where it picked up a lot of my foundation. And like, this hack isn't something that I plan on like incorporating into my everyday like makeup routine, but I always find it fun to try new and different things, new makeup tricks, new makeup hacks, and I figure, why not? And I want to see if it can give me a nice lifted look, which was the point of the whole hack. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm ready. I am so ready. Let us begin. Oh, that's a little tight. All right. I'm going to be doing something a little different than I did last time. I am going to go in with the same concealer that I used last time, my e.l.f. hydrating concealer. I am still going to go in with my Fenty contour. And instead of using my cream blush from last time, because it's a little too strong for this look today, and I'm honestly just not feeling it today. So instead of going in with my cream blush, I decided to go in with one of my ColourPop lip tints in the shade Chimichanga. It's nice and red, it's nice and pretty, and I feel like it'll look really nice for the look. Or I might just go in with this shade, Cutie Fruity, just kind of depending. I feel like this one might be a little too bright, so I might go in with this one. You know, yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with Cutie Fruity. Keep it cute. Let's get to applying, okay? I'm actually really nervous. I'm excited but nervous at the same time because like I figure it can't go as bad as it did last time. You know what I mean? Like there's no way. Why did I do both sides at the same time? I didn't do it last time. It's fine, it's fine. In the video she spread it out with the brush, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. Last time when I did the concealer step, it lifted up all of my foundation that I had on below, so I go with straight concealer. I can't do that now, can it? Ooh, we're looking real nice. Do this side before it dries down. Sorry, I gotta move my mirror a little bit closer so I can see what I'm doing. One of the things I love about this concealer though, it blends in so beautifully with my skin. Ooh, looking all pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with just a tad bit more under my eyes. And I'm actually gonna blend that out with my beauty sponge. Okay, so we got the concealer down. It's looking all right. We're looking good. So we're gonna use my lip tint for blush. We're gonna put it right here. Oh God. Put it right here. Do one side at a time. And then we're gonna go in with my contour. Right there. So I'm not gonna let it sit for too long. I'm just gonna, she did an upward motion with hers, and that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so this is the part where she did the done side and the not done side. I feel like I shouldn't have done the concealer because the concealer does like 90% of the lifting factor. Looking straight on, I'm looking straight on at the camera, and then I'm looking at my little viewfinder. I do see a tad bit of a difference. I think it looks pretty good. Let me just do the other side. I think I made a good decision going in with the lip tint. Now both sides are done. It's not as drastic as I thought it would be, but I definitely see a difference, and I see now that it does indeed work, as I suspected. The problem all along was me. So I'm not trying to go in and finish the rest of my makeup while we talk, but I think this would be great for like if you're rushing in the morning and don't really have time to do your whole face, you know, just kind of do and then go in like that. But you know, it's cute. It's cute. And I'm used to going in with foundation and doing all that, so my face feels very bare right now. But I feel like I don't necessarily need a full face of makeup, you know what I mean? But I do need to cover up that yellowness that's up here that I used. You don't need a full face of makeup. I've always believed that. I just do it just because I like it and I like messing around with makeup. There's people here on YouTube who literally just use concealer and do their eyeshadow and call it a day. You can definitely still see like my acne scars and dark marks and whatnot, especially on this side. But this might be the way to go for like everyday makeup. You know, when I just want to do my makeup and look pretty, you know, I can just do this from now on instead of a full face of foundation and then concealer and all of that. Yes. I'm not even gonna bake, and I usually bake all the time, especially under my eyes. But this concealer tends to be pretty good at not creasing and separating, so I'm not too concerned about that. I just want to make sure it looks decent, you know what I mean? It doesn't have to be perfect. I didn't do my under eye shadow. Usually whatever I do on the top, I do on the bottom, but I didn't do that obviously because I wanted to make sure my concealer was put down first. I always feel like my eye look is empty if I don't do my bottom lash line. My eyes just look so weird to me. I'm pretty sure we're done with the look, sweetie. They thought they could defeat me, eh? Well, look at this. Look at this. We did it, and we succeeded. I kind of thought I wouldn't be using this hack, you know, unless I like was in a rush or something, but actually, I'm really feeling it. Like, I feel like I look fine. Let me lower down the lights. I feel like my lights are always too bright, but I'm digging it. Like, I have no complaints with how it came out. It's just weird because I'm not used to it. It feels like I'm forgetting a lot of things, you know? I'm really feeling like I've been looking at myself in the mirror this whole time and in my monitor. This, I'm happy to say, unlike my last video, was a success. You know, sometimes when you say a word, it doesn't sound right. Success. But anyways, I am happy to say that this look was a success. I'm very happy. I'm in just a really good mood, period. But the fact that this came out so good, I'm really happy and really excited. And now I want to try out other makeup hacks. We did it. That's all I'm gonna say. I did it. I did it. I've been talking for a minute. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. It would mean so much to me if you went down below, left me a like, subscribed if you like what you saw today. Feel free to check me out on my other social medias. They all have the same name, @TiffanyApples. We got @TiffanyApples on Instagram, and we got @TiffanyApples on TikTok. This is where I am the most active, where I do a lot of skits, a lot of the random things going on inside my brain. So if you want to see other things besides makeup, that's the place to go. All right, that is enough self-promo. Thank you so much for watching once again. I will see you in the next one. Bye!